Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you fix this clan is restricted to certain account types in Clash of Clans. If you see the message, this clan is restricted to certain account types in Clash of Clans, here's what it means and how to solve it. Clans are created as either family-friendly or standard. If your account age is set under 16, you can only join family-friendly clans, and trying to join standard one will trigger this restriction. Leaders of clans created before 2022 can switch their clan to family friendly, but this can only be done once and can't be undone. For players, the simplest fix is to look for clans with green shield icon, which shows they're family friendly. If you want to join a standard clan right away, your only option is to create a new Supercell ID with an age above 16, complete the tutorial, and log in with that account. Otherwise, you will need to wait until your account meets the requirement. And that's how you can fix the restricted clan issue in Clash of Clans. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.